Hello guys, so today I'm gonna play the Battle Cats guys English part 6, and as you can see guys, this is an happy day guys. For me it's because I will be open Royal Fest guys. I hope I get some legend rare. It's because it's double chance guys, from 0.3% chance and become 0.6% chance to get a legend rare cat guys. And as you can see, my rare cat capsule is 31 guys right now, and let's go guys. I'm really excited for this, and I really want to get the princess cat guys, but who knows. Let's go. Damn. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go guys. Damn, a trash. Okay. Please, a good one. Okay. Should I use this or I don't think so. So let's sell to NP. Please, legend rare or Uberdupe, it's okay for NP. Oh shit. I get this. I will use this cat guys. Please give me something good, okay? Give me something good. Give me something good. Damn. Okay. We'll use this. Go. Please. Just give me a good cat. Oh my god, guys. Holy. No. Damn guys, but I feel bad luck guys. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god guys. Oh my god. Please. Oh shit. I will extend this guys. Okay, keep opening. Oh my god, this is the real trash cat guys. Please give me something good here. Oh my god. Trash. I will extend for NP. Okay. Please give me a dupe, but it's okay for NP. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, I will use this. Please, a dupe bird, it's okay guys. A dupe bird, it's okay guys. Oh my god. Okay. Legend rare. Okay. It's a dupe bird guys. Okay. Oh no. I don't know. No, I don't have it. Oh my god. I want to extend it to NP guys so badly, but seriously, I really want to change her become. Oh my god, I don't want her. Guys. Damn. Shiva. Oh my god. Okay. No, I think I will sell this one for NP, guys. Please give me a good. No. A dupe Uber, please. Oh my god. Dude. Okay, no. I don't think. Okay, extend. Guys, oh my god. Please give me something good, okay? Oh my god. I feel my luck today is pretty bad, guys. I don't think I will get a legend rare catch, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I will use you, okay. Please. Please. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Legend rare, please. Legend rare. Oh my god. I get. Oh my god. Worst cat ever, guys. Oh my god. Please. Please. Something good. Oh my god. I think I will extend this for NP, guys. Please, a legend rare catch. Come to me. Oh my god. Okay, I will use this. Please. Oh my god. Damn, guys. It's the same cat, but it's okay for NP. Okay, I'll take it. It's better than rare cat, guys. Please. Oh my god, no way. Hey, wait a second, guys. Oh, he's already plus 45, so I will extend him for NP, guys. Legend rare, Uber dupe, or Princess Cat. Okay, I will use this. Please. No way, guys. I told you my luck is shit right now. I think I will extend this for NP. Please, a Uber dupe, Princess Cat, or a Legend Rare Cat. Come on. Oh my god, trash. I got trash, guys. Okay. 5 more, guys. And I think I will use my 1,500 cat food for this Royal Fest, guys. I don't think I will use this, so I'm gonna extend this for NP, guys. Hell yeah. Please. Oh my god. Crash again, guys. Okay. Please. Oh my god, 3 more left, guys. Oh my god. Shit, as always. Okay. I'll take that. Oh my god. Okay, I will use this. Okay, guys. The last. Give me something good at last. Oh my god, guys. Guys. Damn, holy shit, man. As a late game player, guys, I will do this. But if you are a new player, never do this same as me, guys, because this is not a 100% chance to get Uber, but I will try to get it. I don't care, guys. I don't care. Ah, Shivo, dude. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. You exchange. I will use this, guys. Oh my god. Then we will use this, guys. Okay. No, I don't think I will extend this. Okay. Use. I will extend this. Damn, guys. Ha ha. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. I love NP so much, guys. I don't care. I'm gonna extend this. And no, I think I will use this, guys. Extend. Okay, guys. I think for today I will end it here, guys. Oh my god. I have a bad luck. I really want Princess Cat and Legend Rare Cats, guys, but as you can see, I just get a dupe Uber and one new trash Uber, guys. And actually, I opened this before New Year, guys, and I hope if you open for the Uber Fest and the Royal Fest, I hope you are lucky, guys, not same as me like this, guys. For today, I will end it here, guys. I hope you are lucky, not like me. And if you enjoy watching my video, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.